Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Cash here with my sister.
Hi.
Today we're playing, as you can see, Exploding
Welcome.
Kittens.
To Exploding Kittens.
So I'm going to change my avatar quick.
Don't do green.
I think I could get any of these now. I want the bacon one. Let's go with...
Bunny!
This one looks droop. Oh, I can't. Let's just do that one. No, that one.
It's not green, right?
No, it's pink. Change that.
Mine's green.
Okay, so...
You took my idea of having it be pink.
Host the game.
Because,
Okay.
you're doing the
So right now
correct
I'm getting my
deck,
code.
right? What's your code?
Waiting for it's 482.
Okay.
082.
Okay. Yep.
Do you want this to be public or not?
No.
Okay. Let's go ahead and play.
It's starting. Okay. Who's it gonna be? Who's
I go first. Turn your sound off.
I want to know what's in the future too. You're not turning it all the way down.
No. My turn.
I'm not even sure what the next one's supposed to be.
It's your turn.
Why do you slap yourself?
It's your turn.
What was that weird card?
Remember, guys, to get this game. It's pretty fun. I think it costs $1.99.
It's your turn.
Ooh!
Dang it. Ooh.
If he puts it on the top, I'll be so mad.
Your turn.
Where'd you put it?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Oh, you put random in.
Mm-hmm. Give me a card. I like one of those fuses, please. Ha ha ha!
Okay.
If I get the exploding kitten, I'm dead.
I have two diffuses.
Hmm.
Your turn. 1, 2, 3 kittens.
Does yours say 17% or 20?
Yeah.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
My turn. 3 cards left.
Your turn.
Your turn. What does that do?
I don't know.
Oh, I have a ton of cards.
Your turn.
I'll give you this. I was about to play it. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Your turn.
You kind of have 100% there, Tim.
Hmm.
You should have had job.
Your turn. Yeah, hit me in the face.
You have 5 turns to take.
No, you do.
Hello.
I was trying to lose that.
Dang it.
It's a good idea to drop in the bottom. Because there was no bottom.
That's That's my only other card.
Really? Could just drawed.
Drawn.
Drawed. The word is drawed.
Okay.
Drawed. Drawed. Drawed.
Okay, get into the game, please.
What deck are you doing?
Same one.
I want to use a different one.
Well, because I am.
No, the middle one.
It's the only fun one. I'll just play strangers.
What?
I'm playing with strangers. No.
Okay, I will with you. Use my normal deck. I don't like that one. I think it's boring. I like the original deck.
I don't. It's boring.
Why? I think it's better because, especially on YouTube, because then if they never played it, they know what the original deck would be. Ha! The person I'm playing with today is Yo Mama.
So now I'm not playing with my sister no more. I'm playing with random people
I'm playing
on
with
the
Yo
internet.
Mama and Lego Batman, Kitty Toes, and Kit. I'm not sure what that says. This is KKCK. KKCK!
Your turn.
My turn.
What? KKCK. Oh, somebody's already out.
This is so intense.
Your mama's still playing, Tim. Oh, no. Your mama left. Your mama's gone, Tim. Your mama's gone.
It's your turn.
My turn.
Handboard, bye. Because I want to change my name to my butt.
1, 2, 3 kittens. You.
Oh, Tim, I'm in my butt. My avatar is going to be the orange one.
This is so intense. One guy has 7 turns left.
Okay, my butt is about to play.
You got the exploding curtain.
Nom, 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 nom.
Tim, my butt is about to play.
Congrats.
Seriously, Tim. That is my butt. Scratch a lot. My turn.
So, I've got a good feeling about this.
Reverse.
I love these voices.
I fear nothing.
Reverse. Oh! I'm glad I did.
Wow. I'm so scared.
I didn't know that was gonna happen.
I am full of fear.
Get Miranda! Getting Miranda!
Coming. You're playing with my butt, Tim.
I know. Change of plans. We're gonna be playing with my sister again.
Because we're playing with my butt.
My sister. So,
My butt has one.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
it's my turn.
Your turn. tell them about the bus. Tell them about the bus ride.
What about it?
It's your turn.
What did I randomly start to do?
I don't know, or she just started like laughing like. It was so random. Like I was just talking and saying nothing funny, and then Savage.
I didn't mean to do that. Sorry.
It's your turn. I hear nothing. It's your turn.
I'm so scared.
Good game.
I like my.
I'm so scared.
LOL.
It's your turn.
Wow. Potato.
I need your turn already. I got a really funny card.
Oh no. Well, you are lucky. I have 2 cards.
Dang it. Meow. Meow. Yeah, but you don't know which card you're gonna play.
Your turn.
Actually, I have 1 card left. I kind of know that's my diffuse.
Your turn.
No, you can't play that card. Because there's diarrhea on it.
Your turn.
Yes. I wanted to use that card.
Oh, my turn.
Pew pew.
Mew. I love that mew. It was like, mew.
I'm
You.
not sure where I put it was a smart spot.
It's your turn.
So, first,
Kitty cat butt butt.
You're a jerk.